Hello everyone, this video is purposefully made to know how to select an elective 1 and elective 2 for your final year semester 1 subjects. So in elective 1 for this Pune University, Savitribai Phule Pune University, we have 3 elective subjects. Elective 1, that is for elective 1 you can choose finite element analysis, computational fluid dynamics, or heating, ventilation and air conditioning. Any one of these 3 subjects you can choose as your elective 1, and for elective 2 you can choose automobile engineering or operation research or energy audit and management, or you can have an option of a open elective. Now let us go through each and individual subject so that it will be easier for you to choose elective 1 and elective 2 for your final year engineering. So let us move on to the finite element analysis. If you see the syllabus of finite element analysis, in a syllabus of finite element analysis you have, it is basically related with a design subject, and you will be learning a software such as ANSYS, MATLAB, and for this you require a prerequisite of fluid mechanics, heat transfer, numerical methods and programming language. So programming language in a form of MATLAB or a Python can also do. Now in this finite element method you can learn mostly about the structural part which is related with a design, okay, and which is related with a design. So you are going to perform the practical in a software such as MATLAB or Python or ANSYS and ANSYS. Okay. So these are the course objective: to understand philosophy and general procedure of finite element method. Second one, a displacement based finite element method for displacement and stress analysis. As I have mentioned, it is related mostly to the design part. Then it provides a bridge between a calculation based on mechanics of material, machine design, numerical solution for more complex geometry and loading structure state. Yes, again it is related with the design part, and also it provides some experience with a commercial FEM software, FEM code, and some practical modeling exercise. So mostly it is consist of a design, and you are going to find out stress, strain, linear displacement, linear stress, then temperature, then model analysis, and all those concepts you are going to revise in it, and you are going to apply to the actual problems. So this is the syllabus for it. So those who are good in design and very much interested to learn this ANSYS subject, they can opt this finite element analysis. Yes, it do have an external term of practical performance will be included. You can see computer program, it has been included, then a stress analysis, in model analysis. So those you can do on a ANSYS software. So here the list of program software as well as the analysis software has been mentioned. The second elective you may choose from elective 1 is the computational fluid dynamics. Now computational fluid dynamics, again the prerequisite are same, but in computational fluid dynamics it is related, mostly related with the fluid mechanics and a thermodynamics and a heat transfer. So it is related with a thermal field, you can say the subject is related with the thermal field. Here the finite difference method has been used, finite difference method and finite volume method. So those governing equation you will learn, and also you can also learn the software tools which are related with the CAE. So you can go through this concept CFD, then aerodynamics you can learn in it, then you can have the different form of equations, Navier-Stokes equations, then convection diffusion equation which was seen in a heat transfer subject. You can see the solution of Navier-Stokes equation, then introduction to the turbulence modeling. So you can see the most of it syllabus are related with a fluid mechanics and a heat transfer based. Also it has a practical performance, so total 8 practicals, out of 8 you need to do 7 practicals. So one dimension steady state conduction, then unsteady state, steady state, unsteady state. So likewise such kind of practicals are been there, and you have to perform by using finite volume method. ठीक है. So you can have this as an subject. Those students who are interested in a thermal field or a fluid mechanics field, they can choose this computational fluid dynamics subject as their elective one. And one more option has been given by the university. It is heating, ventilation, air conditioning and refrigeration engineering, where the thermodynamic 1, 2 and refrigeration air conditioning is the prerequisite. So uh, again, the name suggests about it is mostly related with refrigeration and air conditioning, which you have learned in third year, and it is totally based upon the thermodynamics and refrigeration and air conditioning. So you are going to learn different types of vapor compression cycle, then thermal design of refrigeration system, then what actually the air conditioning system they used in the industry, how the ventilation and infiltration takes place, how the load calculation takes place. So you can learn this thing in this subject. So it is also have a term work. So it is an external term work. So all the three subjects of elective one is going to have some term work. So you can opt this subject, heating, ventilation and air conditioning, if you are interested in again thermal field, again with refrigeration and air conditioning as your subject of interest. Now this was related with the elective one. So you have to choose one elective from elective one and the another elective from elective 2. So elective 2 is consist first subject is consist of automobile engineering. So as the name suggests, it is related with the IC engine, theory of machines, basics of electrical and electronics. So these are the prerequisite. If you are very much interested about electrical vehicles, then automobile vehicles, then IC engines, then you can opt this subject. How the subject is, it is purely a theoretical subject, no any numerical has been asked, but it clears all the concept about the automobile engine, electrical system and hybrid electrical vehicles. There is no any practical for this subject, so no any external term work for this subject. You can opt this subject as your elective 2. The second option is the operation research as your elective 2. So here the prerequisite are mathematics 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 and also the numerical method and optimization. Okay, so operation research subject is based upon mostly a management based subject, where you can have the different types of a theory, different types of a decision theory to solve the problems. Yes, operation research subject is consist of mostly a numerical. It is related with the transportation model, then project management technique, minimizing the process time. Okay, these concepts are been used in the industries uh, for various different assignments, various different practical problems. So minimization, maximization, again you are going to learn it. Then you can have a project management, queuing theory. So these are the management based concept and mostly used in the manufacturing, production, also in a planning department. So you can go through this subject. Yes, it is operation research is purely a numerical subject. So those students are which are good at numericals, which are good at and very much interested in solving the problems, they can opt this subject. From the gate point of view and competitive exam point of view, this operation research is uh, mo mostly they ask the problem from this operation research. So first one was automobile, that was a purely theoretical based. This is operation research. It is 70% of the problem and 30% of the theory. But those who are really going to appear for GATE, I will recommend this course, operation research. Then the third subject is energy audit and management. It is again a purely subject, as the name suggests, it is related with the energy. So prerequisite are thermodynamics and turbo machines. Mostly the energy audits are being conducted in the industries. So how to conduct those energy audit, how the energy is been consumed, or where are the areas where you can save the energy, you can able to know this thing in this energy audit and management subject. So different Concepts are been there also: energy economics, energy efficiency in thermal utility, electrical utility, cogeneration, waste heat recovery, and so on. So again, there is no any practical for this subject. Now for an this is project 1. For an open elective, uh, for open elective to take, you must have to design the syllabus for it, and then you need to communicate to the university, and if it get approved, then only you are able to get the then only you are going able to get the open elective as your elective too. Okay, but most probably as the student opt either automobile engineering or operation research or energy audit as per the previous record. So you can see the open elective board of study mechanical and automobile will declare the list of subjects which can be taken under open elective or other elective that can be taught in the current semester to the same level. Elective 2 and elective 4 under engineering faculty in individual college and industry can define new elective subject and proper syllabus using defined framework of elective 2 and elective 4 and get it approved from board of study and other necessary statutory system in the SPPU. So this elective we need to get it approved from the university, and then only you open up this open elective as the subject. Okay, so for the upcoming semester you have to choose either a subject elective 1, that is either finite element analysis or computational fluid dynamics or heating, ventilation and air conditioning, and in second elective you have to choose automobile engineering or operation research or energy audit and management. So from the gate perspective, you can choose the operation research as your second perspective. It is related with 70% of a numerical and 30% of a theory. Automobile engineering is purely based upon a theory part, and energy audit and management, again it is related with 80% of a theory and 20% of a numerical. While in elective 1, the finite element analysis, again it is having 70% of a numerical and 30% of a theory. The computational fluid dynamics, it is having 60% of the theory and 40% of the numerical. And heating, ventilation and air conditioning, it is 60% of a numerical and 40% of a theory. So you can choose any of this 1 and 2 elective. Thank you all for watching this video.